boy went to the shop to buy a pizza. The shopkeeper ignored him and served to another customer who come after Tommy. Tommy asked him the second time. This time the shopkeeper kept himself busy and again served the other customer who come third after Tommy and did not pay attention to him. Tommy left the shop in anger and went back home with a sad face. At home, when he reached, his mother saw Tommy very sad. She asked him, Tommy explained everything to his mother, but she did not understand what he was saying. The mother, instead of taking him to the shop to know what he wanted to buy, she thought to herself, he might be hungry. So the mother gave him fried rice instead of pizza. At school, the teacher entered the class and the students stood up and wished, "Good morning, teacher." Tommy followed other students what they are doing. The teacher said, the teacher entered the class and the students stood up and wished, "Good morning, teacher." Tommy followed other students what they are doing. The teacher said, "Students, today we are going to learn about hygiene. Please open page 5. The student understood and opened the page while Tommy did not understand anything of what is going on. Tommy saw the textbook of his classmates. Page 5 is open, so he turned page 5 immediately. While the teacher was reading and explaining, Tommy did not understand anything. He showed his hands up and asked in sign language. The teacher could not help him because he did not know sign language. Tommy is very sad and felt rejected, first at the shop and now in school. On the way back home, Tommy stopped a taxi. He asked the driver, the taxi driver nodded, mean he doesn't understand anything, and ran away. Again, he felt rejected because of his disability. Tommy sits alone and mourning. Tommy sat alone and mourned.